December 4th, 2010. Pennsylvania, lake effect snow. And it's supposed to snow and snow and snow and snow for 2 days. We're supposed to get like 2 feet of snow. It's supposed to be 2 to 4 inches today, 4 to 6 inches tonight, and 2 to 4 tomorrow, and then tomorrow night, and then Tuesday, and snow, snow, snow. Snow, snow, snow. Anyway, yeah, that's my snow report for Cockerton, Pennsylvania. And I'm freezing my ass off out here. It's like 22 degrees. So, anyway, I will say a fond adieu, or whatever the French say. Bye.